A quick look at a bespoke garden office by Miniature Manors, designed for a narrow garden in Brighton.
Measuring 3 metres wide by 4.5 metres deep, the building slots between boundary fences and a mature tree, showing what's possible when every centimetre is carefully planned. The layout combines a modern workspace with a 1.5 metre deep rear storeroom accessed internally. It's a smart way to create garden storage without needing a separate shed. Western red cedar clads the front elevation, recessed between anthracite grey fascia and side panels. The sides and rear use low-maintenance Hardie Plank, perfect for tight access boundaries. Inside, the office is finished to a high standard, with plastered walls and ceiling, laminate flooring and French doors paired with a desk-height picture window that floods the space with natural light. Miniature Manors offer a full turnkey service across East and West Sussex and Surrey, managing everything from design through to final connections. Contact Miniature Manors to start planning your own project, or read our full article on the garden room and annex guide